Yeah, collective. So, I've been trying to get this video out because whoever is out there, they don't want this message to get out. So I was here, just reading into the energy, and there is like a tug of war type energy that's going on here at this time. So, collective, there is a King of Wands at this time. That was trying to, I guess, discriminate against you here, collective. Maybe at one point you looked up to this individual and they probably broke your heart here because you possibly were crying over this individual here. There's some anguish here at this time. But what I'm seeing here also is that here with the Six of Pentacles here, they could have at one point gave you something here. It could have been money. They could have gave you food or something here. But what I'm picking up on is that whatever it was that this individual had gave you, it could have been like some bad intentions behind it here. But I'm going to come back to this here. So this individual now, after the deed was done, they didn't get out what they were wanting here because you're still resilient here. There was a backfire, okay? And yeah, saying like you felt something was wrong, so then you either took a salt bath or you prayed or you did something here. And you overcame this barrier, and this person was just sitting, in their chair, like, well, what the heck, I had paid somebody here, to put you into misery, and look at you, you just standing there, and there was some kind of backfire here. So now as time has progressed, okay, because energy is like an infinity symbol, okay? Whatever you put out, it always comes back around. It's like a boomerang, okay? So this person at this time is heartbroken, okay? They're heartbroken not because they're not speaking to you, collective, and I know this is very harsh. And, saying take this reading where it only applies, because this is not going to apply for everybody, this reading. This is just for a certain few, okay? So this person is currently in heartbreak at this time. And because you are still standing. You're still resilient here. Now, these individuals at this time, they are very sick, okay? Because see, when people, they put out, bad energy, bad mojo, whatever you want to call it. If you look here in the face, okay, she has black rings around her eyes. Okay, so this is what's going on at this time. These people, they could be running, they could be hiding, they could be going to bread baskets, pantries, they could be living in the woods, okay? This is what I'm picking up. Because whatever they did, it's going right back to them, because the Judgment card is right here for the advice. So also too, what I'm picking up here is that you see how Archangel Gabriel, how the smoke and the flames are just like radiating off of him. I'm picking up, even though this is the Judgment card, I'm picking up that these individuals are having a tower currently. Okay, they're having an awakening at this time. This is what I'm picking up on very heavily. Because they can't believe that you're still standing. They can't believe this. They can't believe that you still have strength. They can't believe, because I'm telling you, they paid. I'm also picking up here from this card that they paid some individual to do some kind of work here to come for you. You could have been having some kind of dreams. Okay, you could have been having some kind of monitoring spirits. I'm not trying to speak this on to anybody, but you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. If you don't, this is not your reading. You can go to another reader. Okay, but this is what I'm picking up on at this time. Okay, so I'm not sure. These people wanted you to be in heartbreak. They wanted you in poverty. Okay, they wanted you to have to go to these pantries and these bread baskets. They wanted you to have to, you know what I'm saying, be heartbroken, feeling alone, you know. But that's not what happened. This is what's happening to them now, because like I said, it's like that infinity symbol. Like I said, whatever you put out, it comes back in. And this is what's going on here with these individuals at this time. They're just completely broken at this time. There's a lot of division in this group as well. People who were possibly, working for this individual, they have walked away from this. They've walked away from these people because it is more than one person here. Okay. And if they keep trying to do this, what I don't understand, like, all right, you keep trying to do this. You're doing this over and over again. I mean, if you put your hand on the stove and your hand gets burned, are you going to keep doing it? No, nobody likes getting their hand burned. But not these individuals. I think there's something wrong with them mentally, because, I mean, they keep continuing to do this because they think that they're going to get some kind of payout, but... Okay, like I said, Archangel Gabriel's here. He ain't playing. He's like, look, you need to surrender at this time. We seen that sacrifice that you did, and we ain't accepting it. We're not accepting that here. So you need to go ahead, go out in the cold, go do what you need to do, because it ain't happening today. Not today, Felicia. So, but yeah, I just wanted to come on here, just do a brief reading here on the current energy at this time. So collective, you're doing fantastic. You know what I'm saying? You're standing alone. You're taking these people down one by one, with the Holy Spirit and guidance of the angels at this time. And, you know what I'm saying? The enemy's falling, so just take it, one day at a time, collective. Okay. And believe and know, they always say, even when you think that God isn't doing anything, because there's no movement, there's no, substance, there's no nothing going on. Believe and know, He is moving and wrecking house right now. Okay? These people, they wear masks. Okay? They wear masks. And, saying they are under judgment. They're having towers. They're losing. They're losing big time here. So make sure that you stay prayed up. Because if you stay prayed up, there's no reason to worry. So make sure that you're getting up every day and you're doing your prayers. You're cleansing out your areas. Because we are in the springtime. So just... make sure that you're getting rid of old things at this time. This is the best time to get rid of old things and make room for new. Also, too, at this time, saying just make sure that you're cleaning your floors and try to keep yourself, like what you're eating really clean at this time, because they're losing this battle at this time. They're throwing anything and everything but the kitchen sink even if they have that pot, okay, to piss in. Okay, so that's all I have here at this time, collective. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And if this resonates for somebody that you know, go ahead and share it with them and hype it up. You got Kingcake here.